Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. I wasn't going to make another video right now on any of this beta stuff, but I had to make this video because this is a feature that has been a long time in the making. They really needed to add it, and they didn't make any mention of it anywhere, not on the keynote, not on the website, in the small fine print of stuff they added and didn't talk about. It's not on there anywhere, and that is the fact that on the Apple Watch you can now change your tones. So I'm showing you guys this on the Watch app just because it's a little bit easier to see on the phone than it is the small watch screen, but you can now have customizable sounds for all the same things you can customize the sounds for on your iPhone: the ringtone, text tone, new mail, calendar alerts, reminder alerts, and the default, if it's not in that category, alerts. And they have different sounds from the iPhone, so you can turn off the default alerts. I don't think you can turn off, yeah you can, so you can turn off the other ones too, but they all have their own alert sounds for different things, so they're different for each thing. The calls and text have their own set, and then all these other ones, the other four, have the same ones that you can choose from, and they're different from the iPhone, so the watch sounds completely different, and it's all independent, and each sound also does have its associated synchronized haptic feedback as well. I'm pretty sure that also works when silent mode is on. It will have the same haptics from whatever you have set here. It just won't make a noise. Unlike the phone, where you can choose the choose your sound and haptics independently, you can't like where you can have your default haptics and you can choose these. You can't do that on the watch. The haptics are just associated with the sound, so for whatever reason you can't set that independently. You can change the haptics from the default to prominent or turn them off, but you can't customize them entirely or separate them from the notification or text sound. But at least you can change the sound, so you don't just have that same ding all the time. It's nice to have a little bit of a different tone there. So that is new here in watchOS 11. I'm Colin here with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.